In this complete step-by-step guide, you will learn how to install floor ceramic tiles like a true professional from start to finish. The video covers every important stage of the process, beginning with proper surface preparation to ensure a strong and level base. You will discover how to mix and apply tile adhesive correctly, how to plan your tile layout for the best visual result, and how to place each tile with precision and consistency. Additionally, the tutorial demonstrates the correct techniques for cutting tiles accurately to fit corners, edges, and tight spaces without damage. It also highlights the importance of spacing, alignment, and leveling to achieve a smooth and flawless finish. You'll see practical tips to avoid common mistakes that can affect durability and appearance over time. Finally, the video explains the finishing steps, including grouting and cleaning, to give your floor a clean, solid, and professional look. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced worker, this guide will help you improve your skills and achieve long-lasting, high-quality results in any tiling project. In the second part of this guide, the focus shifts to advanced techniques and professional finishing details that make a real difference in the final result. You will learn how to handle difficult areas such as corners, door edges, and tight spaces with accuracy and confidence. The video also shows how to deal with uneven surfaces and how to make small adjustments during installation to maintain perfect alignment throughout the entire floor. This part also highlights the importance of using the right tools at each stage, from tile cutters to leveling systems, ensuring that every tile sits correctly without lippage or gaps. You'll discover how to maintain consistent spacing between tiles and how to check levels continuously for a smooth and even surface. In addition, special attention is given to cutting techniques for complex shapes, including circular cuts and detailed edge work, which are often required around pipes or fixtures. These methods help you achieve clean and precise results without breaking or damaging the tiles. Finally, the video explains the correct way to apply grout professionally, fill joints evenly, and clean the surface without leaving residue. It also includes useful tips for long-term durability, helping your tiled floor remain strong, stable, and visually perfect for years. In the third part of this complete guide, the focus goes even deeper into mastering the final touches and achieving a truly professional finish. You will learn how to carefully inspect your entire tile installation, identify small imperfections, and correct them before completing the project. Attention to detail at this stage is what separates a standard job from high-end professional work. This section also explains advanced grouting techniques, including how to choose the right grout type and color to match your tiles and enhance the overall design. You'll see how to apply grout evenly, fill every joint properly, and avoid common issues such as cracks, air gaps, or uneven lines. Proper cleaning methods are also demonstrated to ensure the tiles remain spotless without damaging the joints. Additionally, the video covers sealing and protection methods that help increase the lifespan of your tiled floor. You will understand when sealing is necessary and how it protects against moisture, stains, and wear, especially in high-traffic areas or wet environments like bathrooms and kitchens. You'll also discover professional secrets for achieving a polished and balanced look, such as aligning patterns perfectly, maintaining symmetry, and ensuring smooth transitions between different areas or rooms. These small details make a big visual impact and give your work a premium quality finish. By the end of this part, you will have a complete understanding of the entire tiling process, from preparation to final inspection, allowing you to deliver strong, clean, and visually impressive results that last for years. In the fourth and final part of this guide, everything comes together to showcase the complete professional result. You'll see the final inspection of the tiled floor, ensuring perfect alignment, clean joints, and a smooth, level surface. This stage highlights the importance of patience and precision, as even the smallest detail can make a big difference in the overall appearance. The video also shares valuable tips on maintenance and care, helping you keep your ceramic floor looking clean, shiny, and durable for a long time. From proper cleaning methods to avoiding common damage, these final touches will protect your hard work and maintain its professional finish. If you've found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and support more practical content like this. Make sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important details or pro tips that can take your tile installation skills to the next level.